Hello, my name is Max and today I'm going to talk about objects in JavaScript. To start with, we need to talk about variables. So in this situation, variable contain a single value. Pretty simple, variable person equal John Doe. But what if we want to contain multiple values in one variable? Then we need objects. So in this situation, variable person equal to new object, create new object, and then assign multiple properties to it to store different value. So object allows us to store multiple values in one variable. So it's super cool. Next thing which we're going to talk about is accessing and setting a feature of objects with dot notation and bracket notation. So this looks very similar. Object.cat, so we're calling cat from object, pretty cool. Similar thing up here, object, and we're calling cat from it here from inside of object. But we have a small little apostrophe, and if we'll get rid of them, ooh, then there's a magic. The main difference is we're now using brackets notation to pass in a variable. That's super neat. So we can pass a variable up here, and if we'll put back apostrophe, we'll get woof. And then if we'll get rid of them, we'll get meow, because the brackets allows us to use variable, and I think it's super awesome. Next thing which we're going to talk about is object literal. Oof. This is the easiest way to create JavaScript object. Using an object literal, you both define and create an object in one statement. So it's super cool, very short, very handy, awesome. And let's keep going. Object constructors. Ooh, what's that? I've heard it's considered a good practice to name constructor function with an uppercase first letter. But what is a constructor, right? In this example, function person is an object constructor function. Objects of the same type are created by calling the constructor function with a new keyword. So it's pretty cool. We call it right up here, new keyword, and that's how we just preset our function. And it's a little bit more work, but I think this way of calling function is very awesome. And if we need to create multiple of the same one, I think that's probably one of the best ways to do that. And the last but not least, let's talk about creating objects with classes. So when new user John is called up here, a new object is created, the constructor runs with the given argument and assign this name to it, then this name, yeah. I should use my mouse more often. But anyway, then we can call an object method such as user say hey right up here, and let's see how it works. Boom, we call John, so we created a new user John, which works right up there. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. This one was a little bit shorter, and come back later.